name is Elizabeth, and I'm a mechanical engineering student, and I'm here to talk to you about how mechanical engineering can impact urban sustainability.
Urban sustainability is the idea that a city can be organized without excessive reliance on the surrounding countryside. Reliance on the countryside could be like extracting oil, growing food, and the disposal of water and waste. The goal of urban sustainability is for a city to power itself with renewable sources of energy, create the smallest possible ecological footprint, and produce the lowest quantity of pollution. Here is an example of what an urban sustainable city could look like. Food is grown naturally on rooftops, allowing the vegetation to get full access to the sun and the rain. Food can also be grown in organic farms, which is better for the environment. In a sustainable city, there are wastewater facilities to ensure that water is properly cleaned and ready to be used again in the city. Skinny streets are created to encourage walking and biking. Trains and streetcars are made available to encourage citizens not to use traditional cars fueled by gasoline. There are power outlets throughout the city to encourage the use of electric cars. The power outlets obtain the electricity from solar panels, solar rooftops, wind turbines, and geothermal pumps. Hydropower dams could also be used if the city is located near water. These renewable energy sources could also be used to power and heat buildings and homes. A smart grid is used to distribute the electricity made by these non-renewable energy sources efficiently. Mechanical engineering can contribute to any of these categories in an urban, sustainable city. In this video, I will focus more on how mechanical engineering can impact urban sustainability with renewable energy.
Mechanical engineering is the most diverse and broadest engineering field, and therefore, mechanical engineers can work directly with these energy sources and find multiple ways to integrate it into society. Things they specifically do is design and build machinery linked to converting the different renewable energy sources, and then it is used in the city. Here are some examples.
Wind turbines use energy powered by the movement of wind blades and converts it to electricity that is used in buildings and homes. When creating these turbines, mechanical engineers work specifically on the machinery and the manufacturing process. Hydropower machinery converts the movement of water to electricity. With this machinery, mechanical engineers design of the engines, tools, machines, and equipment. They oversee the installation, operation, and maintenance of the system. Solar panels collect energy from the sun's rays and is used to power homes and buildings. When building these, mechanical engineers are responsible for the research, design, and manufacture of the panels and the engines. They are also responsible for the installation and upkeep of the system.
Overall, mechanical engineers contribute most to the design of the mechanical aspect of the system, the manufacturing, and the installation of the system. Once the system is installed, mechanical engineers check up and maintain the system to make sure it's running smoothly and will occasionally upgrade it to allow it to work efficiently. This is how mechanical engineering impacts urban sustainability. By designing, manufacturing, and installing the devices, the city will start to decrease its reliance on fossil fuels and decrease the amount of pollution created, which is the idea of urban sustainability. With maintaining the system, the city can continuously decrease its reliance on non-renewable energy sources and continue to be urban sustainable. So overall, mechanical engineering impacts urban sustainability and makes sure it continues to impact it. In conclusion, mechanical engineering is the broadest engineering field, which allows the engineers to work with renewable energy sources like hydropower, solar, and wind. Mechanical engineers design, manufacture, and install machinery to allow cities to decrease their reliance on non-renewable energy sources taken from the environment. This in turn decreases the ecological footprint and pollution created, enforcing the idea of urban sustainability. Mechanical engineers continuously maintain and upgrade the system to make sure the city continues to be urban sustainable. This is how mechanical engineering can impact urban sustainability.